This month, doctors at Harvard-affiliated Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston performed the world's 7th face transplant and may have sidestepped the hospital's policy in the process. Plastic surgeon Dr. Bodan Pomahak performed the surgery and acknowledged that the patient had not undergone immunosuppressant therapy before the operation, a deviation from the hospital's policy on facial transplantation. However, some in the medical community are supportive of Pomahak's course of action. In an interview with ABC News, doctors Joseph McCarthy and Rosamund Rhodes both weighed in with positive comments. Dr. McCarthy, director of the Institute of Reconstructive Plastic Surgery at New York University's Langone Medical Center, said that the side effects of immunosuppression may be an even weightier consideration than the surgery itself. And Rosamund Rhodes, director of bioethics education at Mount Sinai School of Medicine, agreed. She said, quote, "When the facial disfigurement is so severe as to merit the risks of transplantation, the extra burdens of immunosuppression hardly adds to the burden." According to Rhodes, it seemed as if Brigham's policy was designed to spare the surgeons and institution from guilt or public criticism rather than to serve the interests of the patient in need of a face transplant. Now for our final segment, Celebrity News. While the post-plastic surgery death of Kanye West's mother, Donda, brought Dr. Jan Adams' competency into question, it was actually his struggle with addiction that resulted in the loss of his medical license. Perhaps best known for his participation in the Discovery Channel's Plastic Surgery Before and After, Dr. Jan Adams was perhaps not the expert he made himself out to be in the sensationalized series. Furthermore, the doctor's fame and fortune did not make him immune to his own personal demons of addiction. In 2003, Dr. Adams was convicted of driving under the influence and had his driver's license suspended in 2006 after another DUI conviction. The state of California refused the Beverly Hills surgeon the opportunity to renew his medical license in June 2008 when he refused to comply with a family support order, which usually refers to situations such as non-payment of alimony or child support. The day after his medical license was not renewed, he was arrested again for driving with a blood alcohol level that exceeded .08. And in February 2009, he began serving a one-year sentence for driving under the influence. This month, Dr. Jan Adams surrendered his medical license as a result of his multiple DUI convictions. Adams' surrender of his license means he can no longer practice medicine in California. State law permits him to reapply for his license in 3 years, but he will have to prove he has remedied his drinking problem. We wish him the best. In the meantime, the burning question remains, how do modern-era plastic surgery television shows associate with surgeons with this type of track record? Plastic Surgery News will explore this topic in upcoming shows to look at the fact and fiction of popular plastic surgery television and whether these shows may be doing the public a disservice. Stay tuned for more exclusive coverage of this and other hot topics on the Plastic Surgery Channel. Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you for joining us. Remember to join us again next week for more plastic surgery news. So long.